In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a transfer in Monarch Money using a step-by-step guide. Whether you're transferring funds to pay off a bill or to balance your budget, these detailed instructions will have you moving money like a pro. To get started, let's head over to the Monarch Money website. You'll want to make sure you're logged in to access your dashboard. Once you're there, look for the transactions section. This is where you'll be initiating your transfer, so go ahead and click on the Add Transaction button. It's usually easily visible and should bring up a new dialog box where you can input all the details you need for your transaction. Now, in this new window, the first thing you'll need to do is type in the amount you wish to transfer. Be as precise as you need to be here. Make sure the amount is accurate to avoid any unnecessary adjustments later on. Right beneath the amount, there's a field where you should type or add the merchant or recipient of the funds. This step is crucial as it keeps all your transactions well documented, allowing you to track where every penny is going. Next up, it's time to select the date of your transfer. You can either stick with today's date or choose a different one if you're planning for a future transfer. By setting a specific date, you maintain better control over your finances and ensure your records stay organized. Moving on, you'll see an option to select an account. Simply click on this option and choose the account from which you want the funds to be deducted. This is particularly useful if you have multiple accounts or if you're managing shared budgets. After your account is selected, it's time to categorize the transaction. Categories help you keep track of spending habits and financial goals, so choose one that closely aligns with the purpose of the transfer. If your transfer is part of a larger financial plan, like saving for a vacation or an emergency fund, the next step is to choose a goal. This feature allows you to designate transfers towards larger financial targets, keeping you motivated and on track. If there are specifics you need to remember about the transfer, feel free to add those in the notes section. This could include anything from reasons for the transfer to specific reminders for future reference. Furthermore, you can enhance your transactions detail by searching for and adding tags. Tags allow for even more precise tracking and can simplify your search process later on when you're reviewing past transactions. Once you've completed these steps, review everything carefully to ensure accuracy. And that's it. Your transfer should now be successfully logged in Monarch Money. Following these steps will make managing your financial transfers easier and more efficient, keeping your finances organized and allowing you to focus on what truly matters.